Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing app which you can use on your Firestick to get free live TV as well as live sports. The whole process is actually pretty simple and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you gotta do is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get Downloader free of charge from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and here in the search, start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. We click on it and now that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up, of course. And now to set up Downloader, we need to go to Settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, and then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. We open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Now we go back to the list of apps on your device, open it up, and here you will find the Downloader. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Denmark right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, and then locate the Downloader in here. And now when the Downloader app is opened, what you have to do is go to the search bar, and in the search we'll be using a code which will be 402844. So once again, 402844. That is the code you have to enter, and then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to actually download the app. Then you go to install and wait for the app to finish installing. And then it's not over yet. We do not click on open, instead we click on done, because this way we get an option to delete the installation files as we don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary installation files and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. Now we gotta go to the list of apps on the Fire TV stick, and here at the bottom you will find the app that we just downloaded. Now first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the app. And here in the app you get access to a couple of hundreds of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app, but trust me, you are going to like them. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.